Hey y'all, welcome in. I'm Brent, and if you're watching this, chances are you've been faced with the kind of challenge that only Louisiana knows how to throw at you. A devastating storm. You've been through the ringer and your home, well, it might be more of a memory than a dwelling. Well, here's the good news. There's a path forward, a way to get you not just back on your feet, but into a brand new resilient home. Today, we're talking about the Restore Louisiana Homeowner Assistance Program, and specifically how it can help you get a new manufactured home right here on our lot. And guess what? We are your trusted partners in making that happen. That's right, we proudly accept Restore Louisiana Vouchers, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. So what is the Restore Louisiana program? It's a vital program funded by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, or HUD, through what are called the Community Development Block Grant Disaster Recovery Funds, or CDBG-DR for short. Think of it as a federal aid with a Louisiana accent, administered right here by the Louisiana Office of Community Development Disaster Recovery, or LOCD-DR. The program isn't new to the game. It was first established in 2016's floods, and it has continuously expanded its scope to cover every major storm since, including hurricanes like Laura, Delta, and Ida, and the May 21st severe storms. It now includes Hurricane Francine. Louisiana knows a thing or two about resilience, and Restore Louisiana is built to match that spirit. For many of you, your home wasn't just damaged, it was destroyed. It might have been condemned, unsafe to enter, or the repair costs were just astronomical, 80% or more of what it actually would cost to rebuild. That's where the reconstruction options come in. This isn't about patching up old wounds. It's about a fresh start, a brand new home built to modern standards. Now let's talk brass tacks. Who is actually qualified for these opportunities? The eligible criteria are specifically designed to ensure the aid goes to who needs it the most for the full rebuild. At the time of the disaster, you must have owned your own home and occupied it as a primary residence, and you must have maintained ownership since. No trying to sneak in your cousin's old fishing camp. Now, this is crucial. You need a FEMA-determined major or severe damage designation. This means one of three things. FEMA has inspected the residential damage of $8,000 or greater. At least 1 foot of flooding on the first floor. FEMA inspected personal property damage of $3,500 or greater. And for reconstruction specifically, your home was likely demolished, unsafe to enter, or the repair estimate was 80% or more of the reconstruction cost. Now, if your damage was from Hurricane Francine, you must be in one of these 9 parishes: Ascension, Assumption, Jefferson, Lafourche, St. Charles, St. James, St. John, St. Mary, and Terrebonne. It's a rigorous process, but it's designed to ensure that federal funds are used effectively to rebuild the most severely impacted homes, and for many, that means a brand new manufactured home. All right, you meet the criteria, so what's next? The application process can seem like a winding bayou, but we're here to help navigate it with you. This was the crucial first step. For homeowners impacted by the 2020 to 2021 disasters, Hurricane Laura, Delta, Ida, and the May 2021 severe storms, the survey deadline has passed. For Hurricane Francine, the initial survey period is ongoing, and you can check the Restore Louisiana website for any new opportunities or updates on future application phases. You'll need your FEMA registration number, and if you have it, your flood insurance info. Don't have your FEMA or info? Call them at 1-800-621-3362. After your survey, Restore Louisiana conducts a federally mandated environmental review. They're checking your property from the road, making sure that your new home won't disturb any protected swamp creatures or ancient artifacts. No appointment needed for this one, so don't worry about tidying it up. Qualified homeowners who have submitted the program survey and had an environmental review will be invited to complete the full program application online. The program reviews your application and cross-references it with a third-party source. Sometimes they may ask for more documents, but think of it as a treasure hunt. But the treasure is your new home. An inspector will come to your home to assess the damage and determine the scope of work needed for your reconstruction. If your home was built before 1978, they'll also do a lead-based paint assessment. They're really thorough, like a good gumbo recipe. After all the assessments are done, you'll receive your calculated grant reward. You'll have 60 days to accept it or appeal. If you think something's off, you've got 60 days to decide. Is this enough to get my new home, or do I need to channel my inner lawyer and appeal? Choose wisely. Time flies when you're rebuilding. Once your agreement is signed, the magic begins. You'll get your grant awarded and start building your new home. Now let's talk about the exciting part, your new manufactured home. Restore Louisiana offers options for your reconstruction, and that includes single-family homes, duplexes, manufactured homes, and condominiums. This isn't your grandma's mobile home, unless your grandma was living in a palace. Here on our lot, you can see the future of resilient living. These homes are built with incredible precision and quality. When you choose reconstruction through Restore Louisiana, especially with Solution 1, the program managed option, your new home will adhere to IBHS Fortified Gold standards. What does that mean for you? It means your home is designed to stand up to high winds and wind-driven rain, making it much more resilient against future storms. It's like giving your home a superhero suit. Beyond just being tough, these homes are beautiful and efficient. They comply with green and resilient building standards, often meeting e-Built certified home standards. That means lower energy bills and more comfortable living environment for you and your family. Look at these modern kitchens, spacious living areas, and amazing en-suites. You may be thinking, well, what about specific needs? If you or a family member has a disability, Restore Louisiana may even offer an allowance above the program award cap for interior or exterior special accommodations. We'll help you explore all the possibilities to ensure that your new home is perfectly tailored for you. This is where we come in. We understand that navigating a program like Restore Louisiana, especially when you're dealing with the aftermath of a disaster, can be a bit overwhelming. It's a lot of paperwork, a lot of inspections, and a lot of decisions. That's why we've dedicated ourselves to becoming expert in this area. We work hand in hand with Restore Louisiana, understanding their processes, their requirements, and their timelines. Our goal is simple: to make your journey from a damaged home to a beautiful brand new manufactured home as smooth and stress-free as possible. We'll help you understand your eligibility and guide you through the process, including those crucial fortified and green building requirements. Now here's some critical news. Restore Louisiana will begin issuing these vital vouchers as of August 15th. This is a huge step forward, and it means that if you've been waiting, now is truly the perfect time to apply. Getting your application in now means you'll be ready when those vouchers start flowing. We're not just selling homes. We're helping rebuild lives, one resilient manufactured home at a time. We believe everyone deserves a safe, beautiful place to call home, especially after facing the unimaginable. So if your home was severely damaged or destroyed by a Louisiana storm and you're ready for a fresh start in a brand new resilient manufactured home, don't wait. First, head over to restore.louisiana.gov to complete your initial survey and begin the application process. Remember, the survey periods for past disasters, including Hurricane Ida, Delta, and Laura, have already passed. So check the site for the most current information on how to apply for any new or ongoing opportunities. Then contact us. We're here to answer your questions, walk you through the process, and help you choose the perfect new manufactured home that Restore Louisiana can help you get. You can find me at Atchafalaya Homes in Karen Crow, Louisiana, and let us work together to turn that disaster into a new beginning. I'm always ready to help. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, all in the same name, Brent's Manufactured Living. If you found this helpful, leave a comment. I always love reading your questions, or if you have any questions, definitely leave your questions. Like, follow, and subscribe if you want to see more tips, tricks, and walkthroughs of any of these homes, and I will catch y'all in the next video.